All right, looking at Euro USD, we'll start out with the weekly. As you can see here, for the last couple weeks, been pretty bullish. Broke out of this kind of downtrend right here, dating back to 2018. Had some bullish movement for the last couple weeks, and finished this week with a green candle, but a little bit, a little bit of rejection. So if we go down to the daily, as you can see here, pulled back up, didn't really retest this at all. One thing I am seeing is we are showing a little bit of overbought right here on the RSI. So what I would like to see is a pullback, preferably to this level, maybe even down to here, before a continuing upside move. So if we take a look at the Fibonacci retracements, you can see here, see how this lines up. So if we pull back to this level right here, we have, a 0.5 kind of confluence in that area. And really, if we pull back to this level, you can see that we have that 0.618. So I think, this area right here is really where, I would start looking for longs again to see if we can, test this hold and then continue up. If we continue up, kind of some levels to probably look for would be, if we move down, just say we came back to that 0.618 confluence right here, you could start looking for, targets in this area. As you can see, that already aligns with a zone, kind of in between, where we're going back to 2017, where we broke through this, came up and was holding, and then, support, turn, resistance. I do think we pull back, we go up there. And ultimately, if that breaks and holds, then I think this looks like, this 2.618, this level right here would be a pretty good target. So I think over the next coming weeks, I think we'll pull back a little bit. And then ultimately, I do think we'll continue bullish. I think DXY, dollar, is going to continue weakness, have continued weakness. So I think ultimately we'll look for first targets here and then ultimately the 2.618 at 1.26. This I do think we will touch. If you go back to my video on Euro USD, the long-term outlook, I'll put the link in the description. You can see that if you add DXY, they're inversely correlated. You can see that this level right here looks to be a very good level for price to move up to and DXY to move down to.